Before we get started, if you want to know how to easily create a video content, click the link on the description below. 3 simple ways to earn using your smartphone. It's amazing that in today's world all of us are connected globally and can communicate in an instant. And with the growth of social media, there is a big opportunity to make money using mobile phones. 1. Sell items you don't use. We probably have a few things lying around the house we don't need no more. Why not get rid of them by selling it online? The beauty of smartphones is just how easy it is to take pictures of our things and post on our social media and sell it. There is no complicated process and there is no need to get a fancy camera. Just use your phone, take pictures of your stuff you want it to sell, and post that on Facebook or Instagram. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically a marketing strategy by a company where anyone can sign up online for free and sell their products for a commission. Once you sign up, you receive a unique link. Now you can promote their products online. Once they buy from a link you shared, you can earn as much as 40% to 70% from the price per product sold. Even when you travel, you can always do the work as long as you are connected to the internet using your mobile phone. 3. Uploading videos on YouTube. YouTube is a social platform that allows you to share your ideas and get viewed by everyone. Create a video content, upload and gain viewers. You will earn by monetizing your account. You will be paid depending on the positive statistics of your channel. This includes likes, subs and video views. Start making videos now with your smartphone. You can share your hobby for entertainment, skills and profession for knowledge, game streaming or your personal daily video blogs. Thank you for watching. Hit like and share this video. Subscribe for more.